My name is Joseph Gamponia, and I'm the owner of SMG AGRI Trading, based here in Ilocos Norte, Philippines. SMG AGRI Trading is a poultry business. We specialize in providing ready-to-lay chickens, complete with cages and accessories. Our business serves small farm owners, large-scale farmers, and ordinary farmers nationwide. It was born out of necessity when my son was diagnosed with bone cancer, and we needed additional funds for his treatment. SMG AGRI Trading is rooted in our family's deep farming heritage and is focused on empowering Filipino farmers through innovative poultry farming solutions. SMG AGRI Trading has a profound impact on small and large farmers alike. Initially, we sold day-old pullets, but we quickly realized that small farm owners, large-scale farms, and ordinary farmers faced high mortality rates with these young birds. To address this, we shifted our focus to offering ready-to-lay chickens, complete with cages and accessories. This innovation not only set us apart in the market, our business also aligns with NGOs and government projects focused on livelihood programs by offering sustainable solutions to empower farmers and retirees seeking stress-relieving and profitable ventures. In partnership with these initiatives, we aim to create more opportunities for local communities to grow economically and become more self-reliant. Customers who engage with SMG AGRI Trading benefit from access to high-quality, ready-to-lay chickens with lower mortality rates, a complete set of cages and accessories, making it a hassle-free solution for both new and seasoned farmers, increased profitability for small-scale farm owners, large-scale farm operators, and individuals looking for supplementary income. Customers can reach us through multiple channels. Our Facebook page, which serves as our primary platform for inquiries and orders, phone and email for direct communication. We also have partners in the Visayas and Mindanao, making our services accessible nationwide. Our commitment to after-sales support is one of our core strengths. Expert guidance and continuous support through an active online community. SMG AGRI Trading is a profitable venture thanks to the increasing demand for eggs in the Philippines. The country's egg production has seen steady growth, with over 661,000 metric tons produced in 2021, reflecting a 9.2% increase from the previous year. This demand, coupled with our low operating costs and innovative business model, allows us to generate steady revenue. Our strategic use of social media advertising also helps us keep marketing costs low while reaching a broad audience. In the last 3 years, SMG AGRI Trading has seen consistent growth in sales, reflecting the strong demand for our poultry products and services. Despite fluctuations in costs, we've kept our operations efficient, achieving an average net profit of around 19%. In the next 3 to 5 years, we project a 50% increase in sales as demand for poultry products continues to rise. We plan to expand our operations by establishing farms in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. These expansions will allow us to raise our own RTL chickens and produce vitamins and feeds, further lowering costs and increasing profitability. With consistent growth, we aim to become the leading provider of poultry solutions in the Philippines by 2027. Like any business, SMG AGRI Trading faces challenges. Key risks include the rising cost of poultry feeds and logistical issues, especially when delivering nationwide. To overcome these, we've diversified our suppliers and focused on maintaining a flexible, low-cost operation. But one of the most significant threats we face is avian influenza, commonly known as bird flu. Bird flu can devastate poultry businesses, but we've implemented stringent biosecurity measures to protect our farms. This includes regular health checks, strict sanitation protocols, and sourcing vaccinated chickens to prevent outbreaks. We also work closely with local agricultural authorities to stay updated on any emerging threats and take proactive measures to ensure the safety of our operations. By partnering with SMG Agri Trading, investors and participants are not just investing in a business. They are investing in a future that empowers Filipino farmers, builds stronger communities, and provides sustainable livelihoods. Your support will help us expand our reach, innovate our services, and provide greater value to our customers, ultimately contributing to the growth of the agricultural sector in the Philippines. Together, we can make a difference in the lives of ordinary farmers and families across the nation.